This is the only video that you will need for 3D models for Blender and Godot. I wish that I could watch this video when I first start. I will show you all the tricks that I learned. So I have this 3D model of Goblin. I will add UVs, materials. I will show you how to bake. I will show you how to download free animations and join that animations with your 3D models. Whatever animations do you need. So I made this model, and this model is from multiple objects. It's really convenient to when you're making your 3D model, make it from few different objects. Now you can select all your objects, Ctrl J to join it. Now we have one object. Do not be afraid. You can, when you go in edit mode and you hover above some object, when you hit L, you can select different objects, so you are not losing anything when you join them. And you can hit a P key to and separate it objects by loose parts, and you will return to the same. Now first thing that you do after you have your model, save it and go to UV editing. And in UV in materials add just one material. I will add green for the skin. Now go to your shading. So you add just one material. Go to your shading and add an image. Create new image. We will bake only colors. I bake only colors, and all other effects you can make in materials, custom materials in Godot. So for your model, 1K is perfect. If you want to push it, you can go to 2K, 4K. For our games, it's wasting of memory. So 1K. For my main characters, I make 2K, and for all others, simple 500 or 1K is perfect. So this is important model of enemy. I will push it to make 2K. Turn off alpha. Now we go to our UV. In UV, select your image that you made and select all your faces and unwrap it. U to unwrap, Smart UV projects, and 0.5 margin. Unwrap it, and you will have your grid on your photo. So it's most important thing that you made one material and then make photo in that material and then unwrap your model. So we have a UV now. Now select every faces that you want and make new materials. And add color that you want, eyes, whatever your model is. So make how many materials that you want and just select the faces that you want to be that color and assign it. So I have one model and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 materials. For eyes, for skin, everything is separated. Now Now we will bake the color, just the color. Select this your photo, the photo that you make, Control C, and paste it in every single material. Now hold shift and select all your photo when you have this white highlight. And select your model. So we have every photo selected and we have our model selected. Now go here and put resolution of your photo is 2K. Now go render engine, we will bake the texture. Go render object cycles, GPO, select here GPO. Experiment with these samples, what better work for you, because I have a simple model. This is good for me. Here 50. Go to bake, choose diffuse, that is color. Check out in the direct and indirect light, we want just color, and we have selected model and photo. Click bake. Here you will see your photo making. So we make the photo. Now save it to your folder. Save this photo. Now we have full UV and full baked color. Now you go back to the UV and make final material. That final material, in that material we will connect this photo. So we will only need one material, final. Delete every, you can delete every single other material. You need to be in object mode. I usually have two couples saved, one with separate materials and one with final. So attach final material to your model. Select model, material. Oh, sorry, we already have it. And in this final material, add your photo that you baked. And now you see we have our model, only one material, only one little photo. That is excellent for games. Now I will show you how to add animations. Go to this site, internet. You have a 10,000 different free animations for a character, for everything. This is the easy site, Mixamo account. Make account. So you do not need to upload your character here. Just pick animations that you like, and when you find animation for attack, for dying, for everything, for walking, for running, and when you have it, click on your animations, download without skin. So it download in your folder every single animation, and when you download it, you will have it in this file, and just drag that file in Blender next to your model. Now I have these animations, ones that I made before, but if you don't have it, you can just take this, for example, copy it, delete necessary parts like fingers, because I here do not have. You can delete whatever you want, and when you delete it, you click on your model and you hold shift and your bones, control P, in here with atomic weights. Then you will connect your model to your bone, so you can make another. This is not video for that. And when you connect, click on your model and weight paint and paint. If you don't want something to move your bones, find that on YouTube. You have this around, ih samo kontroli. When you click on bones, you can zero out. And when you have this Steve pose, then you can connect it with your model with Ctrl P with atomic weights. Then you can weight paint. This is very simple. Installing this add-on, I will show you the most complicated part, how you can transfer these animations from this bone to your every model. So first we need to open down here two tabs, right click, horizontal split. In first you open dope sheet. In second, in dope sheet animation action editor. In second, non-linear animations. Now listen to me very careful. The most important thing to transfer this animation. We will transfer some. We will transfer this. I will hold it. You can here. You can when you click. You can name it. Very important. Name it. I'll name it 33333. Now, the most important thing, when you click on your bones, go in edit mode. Here in bones, names of your bones and names of the same bones here. You see here we have Mixamo 12 right arm, but here in my model I have just Mixamo. It's missing 12, so you need to have the same names. The most important things when you are transferring animations to bones is naming here. 2 dots right, so you change it every single bones name to this, or you can change name of these bones. Just delete 12. First we will delete bones that I do not need. Sorry, this video is kind of rushed, but I do not want to make video that lasts hours. So change now, like when you delete what you do not need, change the name. Most important things to change the name. To have the same name. You have tools for this, but you need to know, to learn how things work under the hood. You can, even if you need hands, you can download some free models from Maximo and every single site, free site, and you can just delete everything and just leave hands, only if you need legs and everything. Now you have these two windows. You have name and you have name of armature, that is this animation leaked. When you have that, you click on your own and you have the same names of the bones. You click on your own bones, add new, this animation 333, add armature, that this animation links, very important, 5, and see. Now you have this animation and you can, it's so easy, but it's so complicated. If you do not, I learned it hard way. I debug these animations like hours, and then I found out that one of my bones have different name. And here you can, I downloaded like 10,000 free animations, and every single one you just need to have the same name of the bones, and open these two windows, give it a name. When you click, do we have same name here? We have. So object mode, click on this animation. What is this? This is, I zero it out. Click on this, name it 55555, armature 4. Do we have the same name? Yes. So click on your add armature, very important, and see. Now we have this saddle animation. When you done this, next important step, click on action, push down the action. When you push down, you will, in your bones animation, you will have it here. So now take every animation that you want and correct the name of the bones, give it a name, click on your add, very important, add armature, and push it down, and you will have it here. I will take another one. This is walking, push it down. Align this, align your animations like this. You can delete everything. Now I have this animation that I wanted. I do not need to touch anything. If you have some problems, you can here like nothing. And you can change your animation, how you fast it up and change it now. When you click on this star, you will play just this animation, just this. You can test it. Make sure that every mark this is checked. So now we have our animation. Don't forget the star, don't forget name and bones, everything, very important. Don't forget to open these two to add the armature. Don't forget, if you have something that you do not need, to name it noimp, .noimp, so you do not export your light and camera to Godot. Now export your file as GLT2, GLTF2, and import it in Godot. Now in Godot, make your scene, make it name. Do not forget to in Blender to apply your modifiers. When you are exporting mesh, apply modifiers. Add your model. Now right click on your model, make local, and here when you click make local in animation player, you have your animations. This is idle, and they are working. It's so easy. So when you open your file that you exported from Blender, you can just save this one animation, and then you can add this animation to your existing older model. Just manage animations and import it. So you can add new animations to your model. This is everything for now. I hope that these tricks help you a lot in the future, because I learned it hard way.